They appear to be at again bulldozing legislation. Full stop. The government now has a plan to turn Pakistan into a digital nation, for which a bill was tabled in the National Assembly yesterday after receiving cabinet approval in June. Full stop. Drawing inspiration from successful models in Estonia, the UAE, and India, the initiative promises to centralize governance, improve service delivery, and formalize the economy. Full stop. Two new bodies, the National Digital Commission and Pakistan Digital Authority, will drive this massive undertaking. Full stop. Citizen will have a digital identity with data about their health, assets, and other social indicators. The ingredients for a more forward-looking digital society. Full stop. However, we must push and reflect. Full stop. The implemented PICA serves as a cautionary tale of what happens when complex stakeholders इसको काटें, पैरा दोबारा लिखें, जान हो लेने दें. However, we must push and reflect. Full stop. The implemented PICA serves as a cautionary tale of what happens when complex digital legislation is rushed through Parliament without adequate stakeholders consultation. Full stop. The Digital Nation Pakistan Bill 2024, with its far-reaching implications for privacy, data security, and citizen rights, deserves more through discussions. Full stop. There are several points to consider. Full stop. Pakistan still lacks a comprehensive data protection law. Full stop. Without it, how will citizens' sensitive data be stored, processed, and secured? Question mark. NADRA breaches show our vulnerability to data leaks. Full stop. The challenges of implementation are also concerning. Full stop. With internet connectivity frequently disrupted and of poor quality, citizen may be unable to access their digital ID and essential services. Full stop. And without privacy safeguards, such a centralized digital ID system could be misused for surveillance purposes. Full stop. The government must adopt a more measured approach. Full stop. It would prioritize a strong data protection law before proceeding with such an initiative. Full stop. In addition, it must hold stakeholder consultations involving digital rights groups, academia, cybersecurity experts, and civil society. Full stop. Talks should focus on data protection mechanism, consent frameworks, and safeguards against potential misuse. Full stop. Moreover, the government should clearly articulate the operational relationships between existing organizations like NADRA and the proposed entities. Full stop. While the explanation that implementation will remain with existing bodies is reassuring, oversight and coordination mechanism need detailed elaboration. Full stop. To identify potential challenges and risks, a phased implementation plan should be developed, allowing for pilot testing and necessary adjustments before full-scale development. Full stop. Our digital future deserves careful consideration and vigorous debate to ensure we build a system that serves all citizens while protecting their fundamental